Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place as usual speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the reading, okay? So there is this energy, very strong. For most of you possible, it's male, masculine energy. In this person in self going one step ahead and one step back, like one step forward and one step backwards. Now some of you might be dealing with such energy, and this is for many of you. I'm telling you that I cannot tell you the exact percentage, but I get this energy and vibe where this is 100% he him masculine energy. We will listening to me, but you can always go vice versa, apply as it goes. But what I feel very strong here is that is masculine here. Now, if it goes for you, this could be a very strong Gemini, or could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. We'll see if it turns up in the reading when we shuffle. But this is a lover's situation. It is somehow connected with. Now, there's reciprocation going on. Okay, for some of you, there is. Some might be waiting on, but this person is heavily thinking about you. So, what I said was like they might be, as I said, this is a lover situation, not to confuse you, but this is something that maybe you're dealing with someone who is with someone, or you are with someone, and that doesn't, fit. This could be just you two. But there's also this decision. Whoever this person is heavily thinking about you in the yes. I'm seeing this with you, Knight of Cups. Okay, so someone is definitely interested in knowing you, and not just knowing you, they really want to make this offer to you. Now, okay, have I said this that you may support the channel via comments, like, shares, of course, hit the bell icon definitely to get notified. If you're new to the channel, there are messages on me. Okay, so today's message is trying, T-R-Y-I-N-G. T-R-Y-I-N-G. Someone is trying to know you, someone is trying to be close to you, someone is trying to figure you and this situation out. Okay, so in the coming time, you people might get into the zone. Okay, also if you wish to support by donations, that kind, you may support via PayPal. Okay, so there was one question if I can make this GPay link. To be honest, I don't know, but I'll figure this out. Okay, but right now there's ID which is there, but apart from that, you may do so via PayPal if you can. I'll try if I can find this way. Of course, it's going to be getting updated. So you may do so via other things. Okay, also for India, from India, people can do so from UPI as well, and people are doing. Okay, there is some energy very strong. Let's get back to that. You all know that what I talk about, and every link is there, and I'm on Insta. What I feel very strong is that this person is not just heavily thinking about you, they do have some kind of very honest responsibility in their life which they might be fulfilling. So maybe they're married, or they're in long-term relationship, or some they're married. But the thing is that you've crossed paths with someone you possible had had a connection, or just was like never took off as in like dating or something. I don't know how and why this is happening, but someone is going to try, and this trying is like honest. Okay, this trying is like honest approach. You know what, this card touched my thigh from the side. I'm sitting and this card just slipped and on its own. So someone is trying to figure out that they want to, like, they can't ask you, but they so want to date you. Like they want to make certain things clear with you, or promises with you. That's how they want, or there's all love around. This person is like, they're not irresponsible. Okay, in one word I can tell you, they're not irresponsible, and that is why maybe they're taking one step ahead and then one step back. Okay, push and pull, dating sites, hooking up, seeing someone, one night stands. Now here what I feel, because it came reverse kind of, so they just want to date and they don't want to follow up with these things, neither you. Okay, so yeah, just heard it. Bumble, there's something like that. I think I've heard this somewhere. Is it an app or something? Because I don't know, because I know because I'm not there. Okay, so yes, this is a lover situation. Yes, someone is definitely, and have I said this is for Aquarius? So sometimes I put general slash Aquarius, whoever feels like they can come around. Sometimes I just write general. Sometimes I don't write anything, just the topic, just the title. Um, I'm going to see this with you. Someone is stressed out, I can tell you that. Okay, and they live far, they're far from you, and they geographical distance, and they genuinely, inside they're thinking about you and they're stressing over that what is going on with them, like what is going on with me that I want to talk to to her or vice versa. Oh, yes. The situation of this person could be the hanged man. 0555 recording time. This could be the time frame of 5 years, could be 15 years, could be 10 years, could be individually like some changes been happening from last. Okay, for some of you, there is just change happening in your life or in this person's life from last 5 or 10 months. I can tell you that 10 months of stress is also causing them something to think about. You know, something is going on, and they are just stuck somewhere. Not just this, this person is stuck on you in this recent time frame. The hangman situation is telling me that they're stuck on you because stuck in a way they've been thinking heavily. That's what is going around and round and round. Okay, so there is this person who is having certain hopes possible with you or regarding both of your situation. So yes, I can see this energy there. Yes, but also they're stuck in their own life. Look, 10 of swords. Did I say that right earlier? Like they're stressing over. And this heavy thought process that they're into, they don't know how to distract themselves because you just recently been in touch or something is going on. The hanged man is like someone is figuring out from all the angles to see to the situation. They're trying not to uh, okay, the moral is they're trying not to like you, maybe like they're figuring out how not to like you. Opposite is happening, but they're trying to figure out that not to like you, or how to stop this distraction because you distract them, how not to do what they want to do, how not to do and how not to proceed with what they want to do. They want something, like to give you possible attention, affection. I just, this is very crazy because energy is like that. I cannot, this is crazy because this is crazy, okay? I'm telling you, look at this. It's not going inside. This is crazy because they're thinking something very on a sincere note possible. They just want to possible offer you something. Ace of Pentacles is something that they 080 recording time. They might be thinking about making this offer to you with all sincerity and no duality, but the point here goes if they are in a relationship or if they are married or you, vice versa. But this Ace of Pentacles is coming. For some of you, this is work opportunity coming after the wait because this is you're there, you're thinking about different perspectives and all that, having a backup plan or something like that, and you're going to get this beautiful opportunity in the coming time, which is about money, growth, or something, or appointment, or somewhere you want to get selected. This is kind of that thing after a long wait, after hard work. You see this Six of Cups energy in after so long, no contact kind of situation, haven't talked in a very long time kind of situation. As I said, could be 5 years, could be 10 months, could be 15 years or 10 years. I told you 0555. You take it individually, you round that up, add that up. I'm telling you that this is situation for some of you. I'm not forcing, this is just coming through. This person is from your recent, and for some of you, this is distant past. It's kind of situation. Where do you live? Far, far away. Shrek, yes. And have you reached? No. Have you reached? No. So it's like far, far away. You know. Some of your king is coming from far, far away. So there is geographical distance for some cases, and I can tell you that it's like something I'm hearing original, like um, this is something very original love. Okay, but you people are crossing paths with each other. I'm going to take this card because it's peekaboo. It is something peeking from the deck. Okay, and they are at a, I told you, heavily thinking, which is somehow connected with, even if they're at work, even if they're at work, they're thinking whatever they're doing. Of course, you're doing your work, but yes, they're thinking heavily. I think title should be, they're heavily thinking about you. This is, they ain't going in of stuck. Oh, stuck. Okay. Hey, stop. Hey, stop. So they like you very much. There is someone, they like you very much. You know, even if I say, if even if I want to say they love you, I would love to say they like you very much, because the heaviness in these words is more than love. Okay? They like you so much. And Page of Cups could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There could be age difference. There could be none age difference. But the point is that they are messaging you, and you are from a different habitat. They are from a different habitat, but they breathe when they talk to you, like as if like you are their happy place. Okay. Someone is going to message you. They're being able to focus on their life more, kind of. They love talking to you. There is this fresh energy between you and this person. This is a fresh energy in your life, trying to forget some things, and bringing back things in the territory, in a garden where you can have a little picnic, and you have that stuff that laid out there, and you have some fruits or some things and some chips or snacks, whatever. The situation that I'm telling is like, it's going to be like really balancing you both in this time frame. At least Temperance could be Sagittarius. You people are coming together to talk about a lot of stuff. It doesn't mean that it is only this kind of, but it is this kind of. But I don't want to give you kind of that energy where right now things are going like in a marination. Like, this is marination of something. Connection is getting marinated, kind of. But this is someone they really like you. They really, I think like it's more than they have affection for you. Okay, you balance them, they balance you, kind of. A combo of like, if they're fire, you're water to them. Okay, if you're water, they're fire to you. So yes. So what is coming for? Yeah. Oh my, I told you lover situation is here. So I told you in the starting itself. So the lovers could be Gemini, but listen, it's like being called. You being called from, like, there are situations in life that where we cannot exactly explain, but what we can do is like, we need to understand the universal um, signal, which is like, you both are being called to talk, because or being put in each other's life, because you both need each other. Simple words. Now you people need to figure out where this goes, but there's this lovers, but this could be someone already in connection also. So yes. Um this person is all about you. That's the song as well. If you're all about me, I'm all about you. This is by Hilary Duff, I think, if I'm somewhere not wrong. They are all thinking, they're heavily thinking about you. You are in their day, you are in their noon, you're in their morning, you're in their night. So in thoughts, okay? So, and yes, they're very stressed about why this is happening, whatever is happening with them. So it's saying that they are obsessing over you, kind of, but also they're stuck here, where they cannot see you possible right now. They don't want to even think about it, but they don't want to see you with anyone, kind of energy. Like, they won't be able to, even if they are with someone. They Do you see this, like if they're married and they've been in that whatever complicated situation, or stuck somewhere because of the hangman, they don't want you to be anywhere. Like, I don't know how you're going to take this right now, but it doesn't mean that they can give you this anchor, okay? Because unless and until someone is not giving you that anchor, the depth, you cannot wait, right? You cannot wait for someone. Um, wow, this card touched my thigh, because my cards are there near me and they're just slipping. I don't know how, but they're doing it. So this is what obsession. I told you they're obsessing over you, holding on, clinging, can't let go. They are going through anxiety, and let me tell you very honestly that it's like your both of your connection possible is coming from way distant past, but they still have that rose kind of feeling, and the rose they have or they've lived, it's not, it's like the funeral is done kind of possible, like it's not the way it was supposed to be, or it is supposed to be and it didn't turn out that way. Okay, but they are into this obsession, they are obsessing. It's a beautiful card though. They're hung on you basically. Okay, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.